Guys, so long as the denominators match, you can add these numbers. So look, 7/8 and 1/8. Wow, 8's match. So good, we can actually add these. What we're going to do is we're going to keep 8 as I'm going to call it the mega denominator. And we're just going to add the numerators, so 7 plus 1, and that's going to come out to be 8 over 8. So we check the denominators. We added the numerators. Ooh, reduce 8 over 8. Man, that looks like it's 1. Because as long as the top and bottom match, as long as they're not 0, we always get that exception in math. That's going to be 1. Okay, next example. Hey, 7/15 and 6/15. Do these match? Yes. Denominators match. Good. We can add these. So that's going to be 7 plus 6 over 15, the mega denominator. 7 plus 6, 13 over 15. Guess what? We can't reduce to lowest terms because it isn't lowest terms. Awesome. That one's done. Okay, last example here. 23 over 64 plus 9 over 64. Oh, looks like the 64s are a match. Good. We can do the easy addition up top. That's going to be the 23 plus the 9. We got our mega denominator, 64 over here. And then 23 plus 9, that's 32 over 64. Reduced to lowest terms, is it? Oh, guess what? The numerator and denominator can both be divided by 32. That would simplify to 1 over 2 because 32 is a factor of 32 and 64. Cool, we've done it. And there you go. That's how you guys add like fractions. Check the denominators first because otherwise you've got to do a little fraction manipulation to make sure you have like fractions. Good luck, guys. You'll do fine.